I'll show you how you can request a refund on DHgate. So if you've bought a misleading item, so for example here, I'm looking at a glue gun, and when you receive it, the item is misleading, then you can request a refund. If you want to request a refund, you want to go ahead and go to the upper section here, and you want to click on this. Once you click on this, you'll be put into My DHgate here. On here, you'll see a couple of options, but the one you want to go ahead and go to is My Orders. On My Orders, you'll be put into a new website here. On here, you'll see a couple of your tabs here, right? And on here, you want to go ahead and go to awaiting one of these, right? So awaiting confirm and awaiting review. Usually, the one that you can request a refund on is the one that has already arrived, and it should be on one of these pages here. So now let me show you what you can do with pictures. On here, for example, I want to cancel or give a request refund on the Fat Sister Age Reducing Meat. I can just tap on request refund there. Once I tap on request refund, you can go ahead and tap on open a dispute. Once you tap on open a dispute, you can go ahead and go to return and refund right there. After that, you can go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt to finish the transaction and get your refund.